Hi, Realtor Partner. It's Athena, and it's your mortgage minute for this weekend. It's going to be a couple of minutes. I'm getting a lot of questions about how can I make my house affordable? How can I get this client to have a better payment? People are being squeezed right now with interest rates having gone up a little bit. So one of my lending partners is covering the cost of a temporary buy down for this month. It's so exciting. I wanted to show you an example just how impactful and important this is. So it's called the one, so it's kind of like getting tomorrow's rates if you think they're going down, getting tomorrow's rates today. So the 1.0 buy down plan is where you temporarily buy down the interest rate for 1 year by 1%. There are 2-1 buy downs, 3-2-1 buy downs. So I'm focused on the 1.0 buy down because they are covering the cost of that, which is about 1%. So it's not a seller paid. It's not asking you to spend your commission on this. This is free from my lending partner. And so how this works is, for example, today, the 30-year fixed was 5.919. So a 1.0 buy down takes that 5.9 30-year fixed, and temporarily for 1 year, your buyer gets 4.9. So imagine that savings, and I'll show you in a second. So that's huge. They are getting a discount that they are not paying for. And so year one, you're getting 4.9, and then month 13, so year two and all after, you're going to have the same rate you would have gotten to begin with at the 5.9. So your break-even period is right around 36 months. So let's look what the payment is here. So your standard rate was the 5.9. Your monthly payments, $4,160. Your standard fees are about $5,000, for your closing costs. And then your rate lock for the life of the loan is 30 years. So that's pretty good. I mean, it's not bad. It's not 6.5. It's not 7. It's not the 7.5 we saw in 2024. So this is pretty good. But what if you could give your buyer 1 year at 4.9? Now their first year payment is $3,723. So instead of $4,160, they get $3,723, which is a $437 payment savings per month, which is $5,244, $5,244 savings for their first year. And there's no buy down add-on fee. You can see here, no fee, because our lender is covering it. So it also, by having those lower payments, it gives them more cash flow. They can ease into the payment, because we know if you've owned a home, that first year of owning the home is the toughest, because you're usually going up quite a bit from your rent payment, right? You also now have possibly utilities you never paid before, the upkeep of the house, even a gardener. So you've got other costs that come into play. So your budget really has to shift, and it takes a few months to kind of get into the new payment and shift how you spend your money and so on. So, when money is so tight right now, it helps a lot to save $400 per month. So I love this plan. And here's the payment comparison and your savings. And then kind of an idea of refinancing. If you refinance in 6 months, you still saved $26.22 for free. If you refinance at month 12, you've saved $52.44, and hopefully I refinance you down to a even lower rate. Hopefully it'll be, in the low fives or even 4 something. Okay, but in the meantime, you've saved that money, and you're back to where you would have started anyway. So your year one benefit, like I said, is saving $52.44, and after that, there's no savings. So the other thing I wanted to mention, you should know my contact info, but here it is. The other thing I wanted to mention is this month, we are covering the cost of the appraisal. So when the loan funds, we refund the buyer the amount of the appraisal up to $600. So we are giving all your buyers $600 to cover their appraisal this month, and I'm hoping we're going to extend it into June. So I'm here to help. I'm on your side. Go there. I hope you go out and have buyers excited and getting into escrows. I wish you the best of success this weekend. Reach out if you need any payment flyers or just need a quick calculation, and I'm here to help. Thanks.